happy birthday, Faith. Ganun lang.
Mas masaya po.
Ay, mas masaya. Okay. Happy 18th birthday, anak.
Isa pa.
Isa pang.
Got a good day coming, and it's all I need. Everything I wanted is in front of me. It's looking up and I'm down, sun is shining over me. I got a good thing coming.
Happy birthday, Faith!
It's a good.
Masunurin. Napakabait. Kasi sa mabait, nandun na lahat eh. Pag mabait ka, masunurin ka. Pag mabait ka, sweet ka. Pag mabait ka, wala ka reklamo. As in, mabait.
Happy 18th birthday, Faith!
I wish you Godspeed.
Nandito lang ako for you.
Ang wish ko lang is, I wish you happiness in life.
Happy birthday, Faith! We love you so much! Sana mag-enjoy ka sa araw mo na to!
There ain't nothing like this right here. Got me seeing things crystal clear. So high, I can fight them all. It's gonna feel.
Happy birthday, Ate Faith. We love you. Happy birthday, Ate Faith. I love you.
My soul's a lift me up. Got a good thing coming.
Happy 18th birthday, Faith!
Happy birthday, Faith. Wish ko lang ay matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo, pati maging successful ka sa buhay mo. Yun lang.
Shining over me. I got a good thing coming. Just wait and see.
Wishing you a day as beautiful as your heart and a future filled with endless love and happiness. Ayun lang. Enjoy your day.
Hi Faith, happy 18th birthday. Wish ko lang sa'yo, sana matupad mo yung pangarap mo. Then, alam mo naman, lagi akong believe sa'yo sa, sa sobrang sipag mo mag-aral. Dito lang lagi si Kuya, konting panahon na lang, makakabawi na ako sa'yo. Yun lang. Happy birthday.
Happy 18th birthday, Faith. Wish ko lang sana, syempre, matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo. Lahat ng mga goal mo sa buhay ay matupad mo. At maging masaya ka lang palagi, maging mabait sa lahat. Sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo. Mahal na mahal kita, anak. Happy birthday.